How to fix your Snapchat being temporarily disabled. Firstly, go into the App Store and check whether the Snapchat has been updated. Make sure that your Snapchat has been updated to the latest version. If the issue still remains after updating, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling your Snapchat application. To uninstall your Snapchat application, simply follow the screen. Moving on to our last alternative, open your browser and search Snapchat support and simply click on the link. Once you're in, scroll all the way down until you find the Contact Us button. Simply tap on it. Select the option of I can't access my account and further select My account is locked. Now on the first paragraph, click on the account's site written in the blue ink. Now you will be required to log into your Snapchat account, and after you do, you can simply tap on the Unblock My Account and hit the Continue. And that's it. This is how you can fix your Snapchat being temporarily disabled. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.